guys, it's Marin again. Welcome to Saturday Sunday Tips. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a ship. See, this is sailing away. It's like sailing. So for that we need pencil, glue, scissor, a big saucer, black paper, and we need a big pink paper, see, and also crayon, red color, and also we need 3 small strips of paper, you can see, and also a small piece of pink paper, and also white. So first we're gonna start with this one. Okay, so for that we need is a circle. I'm gonna use pink color, so that's why I brought saucer. So place the saucer in the paper. Also I'm gonna use a pencil to draw this. There you go. Now we got a huge circle, as you can see. Okay, now we need is to cut it. That's why I have scissors. So it will take long, so just wait, don't go anywhere. I'm gonna cut this one. So guys, I finished cutting it and I got a huge circle. Now what we're gonna do is fold it. So I'm gonna fold this. There you go. See? Oh, now we need is this part and also these 3 circles. So that's why I have a small piece of paper. I'm gonna use glue. Should put glue in bottom. At the bottom. Apply some glue at the bottom of the paper and stick it. There you go. Now we need is 3 circles, black. That's why I have black paper. So now I'm gonna do is draw circles. Okay guys, sometimes it'll take a while. I'm gonna draw 3 circles. I'm also gonna cut it. Okay guys, just wait what I'm gonna do. So guys, I draw 3 circles on the black paper and I cut them. Now I'm gonna do is stick it on the white paper here. 3 dots. So first, let's apply some glue in these 3 circles, and let's stick it on the paper, white paper. 1 and 2 and 3. There you go. Now we need is this, see? So that's why I have small piece of pink paper. Okay, I'm gonna apply some glue and stick it on the top. Oh god. Okay. And there you go. Done. Now we need is these 3, yeah. And that's why I have 3 pieces, 3 strips. They're very small. Okay. Now I'm gonna use red crayon and also draw a line and make it more thicker here. And also same at these 2. Second one and third one. See? Now I'm going to apply some glue at the bottom of first strip and the second strip and the third strip. Okay, now I'm going to stick it at the top. Okay, first one, second one, and the third one, and it's done. So now I'm gonna try this one. I tried green, and okay, now I'm gonna try this one. There you go. It's sailing. Oh god, it's sailing away. See? Are you joining? Okay. There you go. So guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up and share. So see you later guys. Bye bye.